Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I did passion twists at home. It does take a very long time if you're doing it by yourself, but it is a cute hairstyle. I started off on blow dried hair first. I used the Chi heat protectant and I also used the shampoo and conditioner, but I forgot to show it. I like to blow my hair out for passion twists so that my hair doesn't stick out. So really I wasn't blowing it out to get it the straightest, I just wanted my hair to be stretched enough. I didn't finish blow drying my hair till way past midnight, so I didn't start the passion twist until the next day. It literally took forever. I was exhausted, but it was well worth it for the trouble it saved me after. This is the passion twist hair I use. I always use Water Wave. I don't think the brand matters, but this was 22 inches in the shade 1B30. I also used the Puro Neat Braid Conditioning Gel to help part my hair, and that is linked in my storefront. As for parting, I used this chart that I found off of Pinterest. So I used the brick method. I started off with 4, then 5. However, the thing about using charts like this is you have to remember that everyone's heads are different. So I used the basis and then I just did my own thing towards the top of my head. Also for my twists, I took one piece of passion twist hair and I split it in two. So one piece of passion twist hair did 2 twists. For passion twists, I start off as if I was doing knotless braids. So I start braiding my actual hair and then I feed in the passion twist hair, braid it a couple times, and then start twisting. This way makes it way less bulkier and more secure. I will say that parting and separating the water wave hair into 2 pieces took me the longest. So if you could, I would say to separate the hair on the day that you're not doing your hair, just to make the process faster. And of course, if you could find someone to part your hair for you, way better than doing it yourself. I wasn't going to keep these clips in of me struggling, but y'all, just look. I was so tired. And I was so hot, like I had the fan on and everything, and I was just getting so frustrated. But in the end, we did it. Like, look at that crisp part. It wasn't perfect, but it was good enough for me. For the style, I used approximately 1.5 packs, but if you buy single packs, that's maybe 4.5. I do have a few close-ups of me starting the twist. However, I'm not sure if I'm going to be much help because I do braid overhand, which everyone braids underhand, so I don't really know how much help that would be, but you know, maybe a visual would help. So this is what the parting looked, maybe quarter of the way there. I was very proud, y'all, very proud. This was hours later. But yeah, so I start off just braiding my hair. Of course, if you're going to do it underhand, but I feed the hair in as if it was a knotless braid. I braided a couple times, maybe like 3, 4, maybe 5, and then I start twisting. And as I'm doing this, I did apply gel to my actual hair because my hair was starting to revert back. But keep in mind, I didn't apply gel to all the pieces, just the pieces that really needed it or I had a feeling was going to stick up in like a week or so. I needed this to be a reliable hairstyle, especially since I believe I kept this hairstyle in for about a month or maybe a month and a week and a half. With passion twists, you don't need to do any dipping. I just use the Tresemme mousse. I have it linked in my storefront, but I did have to trim the ends because there were a few twists that were just way longer than the others, so I just trimmed them. And this is what the hair looked like. It's so easy, y'all. Let me know if you try it. Bye.